Do you want to learn real Argentine Spanish? Do you want to travel to Argentina, experiencing our culture, or communicate fluently with your family, friends, or in your business? But today you still can't speak or understand almost anything. The reality is this: it's not your fault, but you're learning the wrong way. And let me tell you something honestly, there is a much faster and more effective solution. My name is Nicolás González Minio. I'm the creator of Spanish with Nico, one of the largest YouTube channels to learn Argentine Spanish. I'm an Argentine Spanish teacher, and I help dozens of people just like you. Dozens of students went from zero to speaking Argentine Spanish naturally and fluently. If you value your time and you want a direct, personalized, premium approach, I have prepared a short video where I explain exactly how my methodology works and why my students achieve real results in just a few months. This is not for everyone, but if you really want to live the Argentinian experience, start speaking our dialect, and feel comfortable when communicating, this is for you. Click the button on the screen, watch the video on my website, and let's see if I can help you to achieve your goals with Argentina and with Argentine Spanish. See you on the other side. Nos vemos, che!